Hello traders, this is Alexander from the GapFill.com. Welcome to the GapFill Automated Futures Trading System. Hello traders and welcome to the GapFill Trader Update for Wednesday, June the 24th. Today's action on the Dow, which is the Dow eMini, is the YM symbol. In today's action, this is the 8:30 candle right here. This is where the market opened. It opened at a price of 83.11. The previous day's closing price was 82.59. So we had about a 50-point gap on the Dow. And our theoretical stops prior to getting any kind of fill was at 83.53. So we were looking for an entry above this magenta line in order to keep our risk to reward adequate. And the system looked for quite a long time. It took until 8:48, a good 18 minutes into trading before the system found two yellow candles and entered short at 83.12. So we were short at 83.12 with stops up at 83.53. So we had a 41 point risk to a good, what does that work out to? 50-something pip reward. And the market continued to creep up towards our stops. We had one spike down, and then we got stopped out at 83.53. The markets did continue to move upwards for the day, for a good portion of the day anyway. And so stopped out, 40-point loser at $5 a point on the Dow. So a small loss on the Dow today. And then on the Russell, it did look for quite some time, for a good 20 some odd minutes before the system stopped looking as the market creeped closer to our theoretical stops, canceling all trading for the day. And on the NASDAQ, same thing, only about 5 minutes worth of searching, and then trading was canceled for the day on the NASDAQ. And lastly, on the ES, the S&P 500 eMini contract, on the 8:30 candle, we opened at a price of 8.97. The previous close was 8.90. So we had a 7-point gap at the open. And about 6 minutes into trading, or 7 minutes into trading, we got our second signal. We were short at 897.75. Let's see if I can bring that up so you can see that. 897.75. Targets at 892. So we had a 5-point target. And stops up at 901.5. So we had about a 4-point stop to a 5-point target. Unfortunately, the market did continue to move upwards, and we were stopped out at the 9:10 candle, stopped out at 901.5. So, a total there of 3.75 points of loss. So we had two losers today, two flat trades, and that's it for the trading for today. And we'll be back again tomorrow, Thursday, June the 25th, and we'll see you then.